All right, this is to help you prepare your long-term food storage, your 3 to 6 month food storage, your pantry to maybe be stocked more for a month. Now, a lot of my information that I get from is all over the internet, but I love thefoodorganizer.com. She is amazing. Valerie is amazing. So much knowledge. She's been doing this for years. If you're a newbie, I definitely recommend starting there. Also, I get a lot of my information from the LDS Preparedness Manual. Look at this. Oh, it is tabbed up. It is so good. I like to start off with 3 months of food storage. I do have a video on how you can obtain this. The link is below. Gather some condiments. For your condiments, you can also concentrate on soy sauce if that's something you use a lot. Like I said with mayo, I definitely need more mayo. This is our last little bottle. I usually have back there the big, like, is it 32 ounces? The big guy of mayo. Ketchup. This is a big condiment in my house. We are known for bread, milk, eggs, ketchup. So maybe grab a few more bottles. Like I said, here in America, Memorial Day is coming, and you're gonna see all the sales for these things like ketchup, mustard, vinegar, all of that. We use a fair amount of mustard in the summer, but it's not something I keep completely stocked on. I like to have a bottle in the refrigerator and a bottle on the shelf. So for barbecue sauces, I am low. I do have a bottle in the fridge, and this is the last one on the shelf. So I've been making a lot of freezer meals with these and make-ahead meals with barbecue sauce, so I know that is definitely something I'm going to keep my eye out this month and stock up on. But also for my condiments, I'm going to grab more of the zesty Italian dressing. You know, summer is coming, May is coming, the warm weather, we make lots of pasta salads, and I like to marinate our chicken in it, so I will go grab a couple of bottles of that. But when I do, at the store, I'm going to check that expiration date and make sure it is a long extended one. And I do that for all my condiments. And spices like dry onions, maybe even look at vanilla and vinegar. I like to buy the big guys of vinegar, the gallon size, at Sam's Club and Costco. This is the Sam's Club one. They come 2 in a box. And here is the Costco one here. So I will probably go grab 1 more box. I also use this in my laundry. I put it where you put your fabric softener, and it helps get the smell out, and it actually softens my clothes. Like, I don't even use fabric softener anymore. And for your long-term food storage, definitely look into dry onions. This is a great substitute for a lot of things. When you reconstitute it, it is perfect for your soups, stews, casseroles. So I have some in my long-term food storage. I have number 10 cans of dried onions. I have some in here and in my pantry. Here, up here on this shelf is all my freeze-dried food. I do have dried onions somewhere in there. Definitely go check out Thrive Life. Like I said, you can get chicken, beef, carrots, broccoli, asparagus, my gosh, butter, cheeses, all freeze dried. I get about $50 to $60 worth of food storage every month sent to my home. I roll that into my budget. Here's some things that you could do just to have on hand in your home. Paper bowls, paper plates, plastic utensils, plastic cups. I just went to Costco and I grabbed some paper plates. Every month I share what you could add to your emergency kits, your 72-hour kits, or your bug out bags. I recently just shared a video where I shopped the Dollar Tree and how inexpensive you can start your 72-hour kit or an emergency bucket, anything like that, at the Dollar Tree. You can work on matches, lighter, on a mess kit. So another one is paper towels. I recently picked up some paper towels from Costco. And if you wanted to get some foil, go right ahead. Aluminum foil is great. You can make meals inside aluminum foil, make meal packets. So yummy. I know I've made some with you before. I'll have all those video links down below. So if you want to think about how you could cook your food if the power went out, couldn't use your electric stove, things like that, maybe look into getting a camp stove. We have a camp stove. I like to do a lot of my canning on it outside. So we just need to get the propane for that. Dutch oven. So I like to have all our propane tanks for our grill full and in the shed. Maybe start practicing cooking outside on a fire. Make it a fun activity with the kids. And of course, I always encourage you to put a couple of dollars for each person in your family into an emergency fund if you weren't able to use your debit card. Friends, in the comments below, I would love to know what you're going to concentrate and work on this month, and any tips or tricks, please leave them down below. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.